solution was devised. All hail the new Daleks! All hail the new Daleks! Can I be of assistance? Commencing phase 2. Correct. Extinction is not an option. We shall return to our own time and begin again. I am your soldier. I do not understand. It contains pure Dalek DNA. Thousands were created, all were lost, save one. It is our past and our future. It is the Doctor. Exterminate. It was necessary. No, we created you. Observe, Doctor, a new Dalek paradigm. One ship survived. Please desist from striking me. I am your soldier. Please excuse me. I have duties to perform. Progenitor activated. Receiving testimony now. Stalemate, Doctor. Leave us and return to Earth. Testimony accepted. Testimony accepted. The final phase commences. Channel all reserve power to Progenitor. The Progenitor has fulfilled our new destiny. Behold the resurrection of the Daleks. The resurrection of the Master Race. To win the war. Transmitting testimony now. Victory! 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 Watch as the humans destroy themselves. We are the Daleks. We have succeeded. DNA reconstruction is complete. We picked up a trace, one of the progenitor devices. We seek only to help you. Withdraw now, Doctor, or the city dies in flames. Would you care for some tea? Yes. You do not require tea. You would not use such a device. Your identity is unknown.